Happy Planner Wednesday. And this spread, what I'm going to do this week is, excuse me, it was my birthday, as many of you know, and I'd like to thank you all for the birthday wishes on the 22nd. So I found these really pretty birthday stickers at Walmart. I think they were 97 cents, and I thought, how fun to do a whole spread about your birthday. I mean, it's a very special event, and I just think birthdays are just so wonderful. So I picked that up, and then I already had this paper, and this is my love for birthdays. And then this reminds me, and the love that you get from other people too. And then this reminds me of like something that you could wrap the presents in. So I thought that that would be really cute. And then I have both of these washies. I got these at Michael's a long time ago in a set. And then I'm going to be using just a little Dollar Tree Papermate marker. So let's go ahead and start planning. Now this spread, like I said, goes from January 22nd through the 28th. And I really enjoyed my skiing theme. It's hard to believe January is almost over. All right, so let's cut our paper. I think I want the hearts to be the dominant theme here, so I'm going to cut that first. Okay, let me just lay this down like I want it. I think that's going to be really sweet. Okay, let's start putting it down. Okay, so let's look at this washi. I think this is just so elegant. So dainty and so sweet. Okay, now I think I'm going to take this and add a little bit more down here. Plus it will hide that where I didn't put the, didn't cover that little black on there that was showing through. And it makes it look extra festive. And then I'm going to put this right down through here. I think that is it. Okay, now we'll put our stickers down. I really like that. I put that upside down. Oh well, we won't tell anybody, will we? Okay, I think right here I'll put birthday girl right here on my birthday. And then I'll just put balloons. I think that's cute. Okay, and then we will come over here and we will just put maybe a balloon right here. And a balloon here. And maybe like a balloon right here. And then just put some of these little hearts and let them sort of just scatter around. I think I'm going to go for a sort of simple look with this. Not a whole lot of stuff going on. Keep it relatively simple. Let me put that one right there. I'll have that trailing down to my birthday. Okay, I think that looks sweet. Okay, so now let me just write down some things. Okay, now let's put it back into my planner and we'll see how it turned out. I think it's just a sweet, sweet little precious birthday reminder that I will have and cherish. I really do love this washi. It is so pretty. I do like that, and I like how all this turned out, and I like it being a little simple. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.